Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be doing another unboxing, except this unboxing is going to work a little bit differently than other unboxings. Basically, my birthday was yesterday. Today is August 6th. My birthday was August 5th. And of course on your birthday, generally you receive money from relatives. So I have a lot more models on order than I normally would because of all that extra money. So I decided I'm going to do this more like a massive unboxing. That basically means each model I get over the course of the next week or two is going to be a part of one unboxing. I'm just going to record a new clip each time. So this is going to be massive unboxing number 1. And so we have the first model here. So now that you guys know how that works, let's go ahead and get straight into it and open this box up. And there we go. The box is now opened. So let's go ahead and get into it. And I really cut one of the flaps off. Yeah, I'm done. Okay, so very tightly packaged. It's only one model, as you can see. Move the box out of the way. Okay, and open it. And as you can see here, we do have the British Airways 1/400th Boeing 787-10 by Gemini Jets. I was meaning to get this for a while, but I've been putting it off. But British Airways are going to be starting service to Newark again in September, I believe. So I went ahead and picked it up. So yeah, without any further ado, let's go ahead and open it up. And I already see some not good looking signs. Oh, that's annoying. Well, I mean, I don't know what I was expecting. I remember this model when it was new did have some issues. So that really sucks. Ugh. That's amazing. I am so happy about that. Let's make sure the pieces are intact. Okay, I mean, at least it's an easy fix. That's really annoying. Oh, that sucks. Okay, so, you know what? Let's go ahead and take a closer look at this Skymarks model. Okay, and after a little bit of working, the wings are back on. I haven't glued them yet, but they fit in fine, so it looks fine. Like, there aren't really any paint chips, so it's okay. I will just glue these when I'm finished recording this, and the model should be fine. So yeah, let's go ahead and look at it. Starting right here at the cockpit windows, they are a slate red tinted. I'm not sure if that's realistic or not, but Gemini Jets does that on their 787s. Moving on down, we have the beautiful, like, Speedbird check from British Airways, and then the L1 door, front landing gear, the British Airways titles with the little crown there. That was something they added later. The L2 door, Wi-Fi box, so it's the first antenna. The beautiful 787 engines with the Rolls-Royce little logo there. It's a cool detail. The back landing gear, which surprisingly are undamaged. And then we have the wings. And as you can see, it really isn't too bad. It's not, I mean, you can tell, but it's not like super easy to tell, which is fine. So moving back down, we have the L3 door. The registration, which is Golf Zulu Bravo Lima Alpha. And then also down there, I can't tell what that is. I think that's like a British Post, or I don't know, but the Royal Post or whatever it's called. But I'm pretty sure British Airways do have that on a lot of their planes. I'm not sure if that's what that is, but I think that's what that is. And then we have the L4 door, of course, and the beautiful tail. British Airways livery just looks so incredible. Gemini Jets do a great job with British Airways livery. They don't have any like color issues or anything. It's spot on to what it is in real life. It looks incredible. But other than the obvious breakage, this is actually a very nice model. Alright, so today we have another box. Today's date is August 7th, 2021. I have just woken up to find another box has arrived. So there should be two models in this box, shipped from Waffle Collectibles in an oddly shaped FedEx box. Probably gonna be like spread out, like one here, which is a bit of an odd way to ship models, but you know what, who am I to complain? So let's go ahead and open this up and get these models out. All right, this box is open. Can't really, it's hard to show on camera because of how oddly shaped it is, but we're gonna go ahead, here, let me adjust the camera angle really quick, see a bit better. There you go. So we're gonna head and get these models out. Okay, I had to make another cut in the box. You have to basically like destroy these boxes. Oh, there's one of the models. Okay, got NG models, 1 to 400th, Alaska Airlines, Boeing 737-900. Hopefully that wasn't damaged. That flew out of there while I was trying to pull the other model out. But for our other model, we have an Austrian Airlines Boeing 777-200ER. I have no idea what that livery is called. I probably should have figured it out, but it's a very simple livery, just like two people on it. But other than that, it's the same as their basic livery. That's just because that's the only livery that Gemini Jets make for the 777-200. So I just went ahead and got it because that is what they operate to Newark. So yeah, let's go ahead and open these up. Start with the Alaska. And it's never good when there's a piece loose. Two pieces loose. Okay, one of the back landing gear seems to be just detached. Oh, it's annoying. Okay, I don't think it's going to be super hard fix though, so. Second broken model of this unboxing. Fun. Okay, so we have better luck with the Austrian. I really had any issues with the 777, so hopefully this one will be no different. And it looks fine. Very nice. Yep, looks great. Okay, so without any further ado, we're going to go ahead and take a closer look at both of these. Alright, so starting off right here with the Alaska, as you can see at the front right here, we have the cockpit windows, little Boeing titles there. We have the little 434-900ER titles and the front landing gear, the L1 door and the One World titles. Did choose to get this over the One World livery one. Then we have the Alaska titles, the engine looking very pretty. The emergency exit, overwing exit doors, the split scimitars with that beautiful little Alaska design there. We have the little exit between the emergency exits and the L2 door. Is that the L2 door? I don't really know if that's the L2 door and this is the L3 door. This is just another emergency exit. But then up here we have the registration, which is November 434 Alpha Sierra. Then we have the little American flag, the beautiful looking Alaska, just kind of like slidey stripe things leading up to the tail with Chester. And then we have the L2 or L3 door. I think it's the L2 door. Overall, very nice model, other than, of course, back there, if you can't see, the back landing gear, which I think I'm going to be able to fix. I'm going to try to fix it because it's not big enough, and I really don't want to send this back because it's not really a common model, so I think I'm going to try to fix it. Alright, and moving on to the intact model, starting at the front, we have the cockpit windows, the Star Alliance logo, the L1 door, front landing gear, which is a PF on the flap there, the Austrian titles, very big, and kind of the L2 door mixed in there, the large 777 engines, back landing gear, one of the little like people from this livery, and then we have the L3 door, second person, and then the L4 door, and the beautiful Austrian titles there. Oh, I say titles, just tail. That looks very nice. It just looks so incredible, like so much better than their old livery. Love Austrian's livery. Then moving on to the registration there, well, we got, I think it's just an Austrian flag, and then I'm not sure what the other flag is, but then we have the registration, which is, what is O? It's O, I don't remember what O is, and then Echo, Lima, Papa, Foxtrot. I always have trouble with the military alphabet, but other than that, looks very nice. Like, no issues with this model whatsoever. Very happy with this. Alright guys, we got another package. Today's date is, I believe, August 9th, 2021. I'll correct that if I'm wrong. But we have just one model for today. But it is an exciting model. It's actually, of the models you've seen in this unboxing, this is the first one I've ordered. It's taken a bit because I got caught up in shipping, but it is here now. So definitely excited for this one. It is for, once again, for Newark, much like all of these, but this one is for something that's happening next month. But still really excited to get this. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and open this up and we can see what's inside. All right, box is open. Let's go ahead and get the model inside out. All right, there we go. And as you can see, our model for today is the Gemini Jets 1/400th Aer Lingus A321 Neo. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the box out of the way. Toss it over there, and we can open up this model. Already had 2 broken models, so hopefully let's not make it 3. From out here, it looks good. The A3, I found the A320 boxes are always harder to open. I don't know why. A320 family. There we go. But anyway, there it is. Let's see what we got. And everything looks good. So, now that that is out, let's go ahead and take a closer look at it. Alright, so starting right here at the front, we have the cockpit windows. A little detail, kind of like a box surrounded in red dots there. St. Rowan, I believe that says. The L1 door with 2 little things that look like T's below there. I'm not sure what those are, but that's a cool little detail. And there's actually, if you can actually see, there's a little shamrock on the door, which is a really cool detail that they included. Then we have the front landing gear, which isn't perfect for Gemini jets, but looks good enough. Then moving on over, we have the little A321 Neo titles, the Aer Lingus titles, antenna up there. Moving on over, we have the overwing exits, which look kind of odd on the Neos, but you know what? It is realistic. Then we have the famously oversized engines that Gemini Jets has for their Neo mold. I'm still not sure why they do this, but you know what? It's just cool to get. I don't really care that much. It's not like it's super noticeable. Then we have the sharklets, which look very nice. No wing flex on this, which is always great. Then moving on back, we have the registration, which is Echo, it's India, Echo, India, Lima, what's R? I can't remember what R is, and then Alpha. So just R Alpha. Then we have the Irish flag, which looks very cool. And then we have the beautiful, just kind of like sliding up to the tail, where there is another shamrock, which looks incredible on Aer Lingus' new livery. I love this. I really love their new livery. It just looks absolutely amazing. So that is a very nice model. Very happy with this. Alright guys, today's date is August 10th, 2021, and the final model, the 5th and final model has arrived. You can see the other 4 in the background there, but pretty excited for this one. It is another wide body. Surprisingly, the package is tiny. I don't know how they can fit a larger aircraft in this, but I literally have nothing else on order, so this is all it can be. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into it. All right, and per usual with Waffles boxes, it is very tightly packed. So let's see if we can get this out without too much struggle. got a little like tab to pull almost here. And there we go. Let's just unwrap all of this. And as you can see, just out of the way here, we have the Gemini Jets 1/400th El Al 787-9 in the Jerusalem of Gold livery. Of course, El Al do have pretty frequent service to Newark, so this is a pretty important model to get. So let's go ahead and pop it open. Stop showing, push that off to the side. Yeah, so. It's in there pretty tightly. These 789s are always, they put them in the normal sized boxes, although you can see it's like they barely fit in there. It's crazy that they actually package these in the smaller boxes. But I mean, I guess it's good. You're not using as much plastic or cardboard. Take the top, give you guys a better view. I need to work on giving you guys a better view when I'm unboxing things. It's in there pretty tightly. And let's see. All right, everything on the model looks good. Yep, everything looks fine. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and take a more in-depth look at it. Okay guys, so it just got like significantly darker outside. It is very stormy today, so I went ahead and turned the light in my room on, even though it is the daytime. I don't normally do that for videos because I like natural light better, but the natural light is completely awful today, and it just got a whole lot worse, so I'm just sticking with artificial light for now. But in the case, starting right here, we have the slightly tinted cockpit windows, like on all Gemini Jet 787s. I think that is realistic. Then we have the Jerusalem of Gold titles right there, front landing gear, the L1 door, the LL titles in gold. I really love this livery. Then we have the L2 door, kind of the stripe of their livery, but it's blue, but then they have the extra gold there. Then we have the engine with the Rolls-Royce symbol in gold, which is pretty cool. Then we have the wing, which is slightly flexed, but not too bad. And this is like a more realistic flex, so I think this is more intentional, because this doesn't look like Gemini Jet's normal wing flex. This looks like how the wings actually flex on the 787 during like takeoff and landing. Then we have the L3 door, the Dreamliner titles also in gold. Moving on over here, we have the registration, which is 4 X-ray, let's see, Echo, Delta, I can't remember what M is. I'll try to put that down below if I remember to. And then we have the, down there, we have the Boeing 787-9 titles also in gold. L4 door, as well as a little cargo door down there, some antennas. And the beautiful looking tail with the combination of the blue and gold, and then the Jerusalem star right there. Very nice model, very happy with this. Great addition for Newark. Alright guys, so that does conclude this massive unboxing that I did for my birthday. Once again, if you liked this unboxing, if you like this style of unboxing, let me know down below if you'd like me to do all my unboxings like this from now on. Maybe I'll probably just do it by month, like which models I get in a given month. But most likely I'll just go back to unboxing the models as I get them and just doing unboxings for each like individually. But this was a pretty fun video to make, pretty cool concept. As you can see, we got 5 awesome models right there. These are all going to be great additions, great helps for EWR. And I really like this shot with the boxes in the background there. So yeah, we got a massive expansion going on here. And I hope you guys enjoyed. So once again, I hope you guys do have an absolutely incredible rest of your day, and I will see you later. Bye.